Welcome to Jurassic Brentwood Public Library. I am Mr. Poe, and we're going to take you to a tour here at the Brentwood Public Library Children's Area. It's a very special place, and I hope you enjoy it. Come on, let's go. What's up, guys? We're here at the Children's Department's reference desk, and right here we have Miss Emily, the librarian. Any questions that you have to ask, she'll answer them for you. Like, for example, what kind of book you're looking for? Are you looking for a specific DVD? She's right here to help you anytime. Now, I got a question for you guys. Who does the library belong to?
The president.
What's that? No. The library belongs to everyone here in Brentwood. The library belongs to you. Check it out. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. One of my favorite books of all time. We have all of these picture books that you guys can check out. What are your favorite picture books?
Pete the Cat.
That sounds good. All right. Minnie Poe, what are you doing in there? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Minnie Poe.
Hello, it's me, Minnie Poe. Where am I?
Welcome to the Brentwood Public Library. Would you like to help us in our tour?
All right.
All right, so let's go. So, Minnie Poe, what is the difference between fiction and nonfiction?
What you say?
I said, what's the difference between fiction and nonfiction?
I forgot.
It's all right. You'll get it next time. So basically, fiction is basically unicorns and dragons and fantasy and anything related that can go into your imagination. While nonfiction is more like gears into science or the history of the American Revolution. Anything that pops into your head that has happened in the past.
Okay. So what you're saying is fiction is based on events and characters from the author's imagination? On the other hand, nonfiction books are based on facts and teach and explain information. Makes sense to me.
Boys and girls, who speaks Spanish? Great. Aquí tenemos libros de Sonríe. Tenemos diferentes libros que pueden checar y también los pueden leer. Movies. We got all of these movies here. Whoa, Minnie Poe, what are you doing here? Minnie Poe, I have another question for you. How much does it cost to come into the library to take out these books and DVDs?
$200.
No. Boys and girls, do you guys know?
It's free.
That's correct, Joshua. The library is all free.
That's amazing.
Can't beat that deal. Where are my gamers at? We have all the video games out here so that you guys can check them out. We got from PS5, Nintendo Switch, and Xbox. What's up, readers? We got all the books that you can think of. We got mystery, sports books, fantasy, anything that pops into your head. Whoa, is that Minnie Poe? What do you think? The one and only Ivan. Hey, buddy, have you read this?
Not yet. Any good? Yeah, you have to read this. It's a must read. Okay, I take it out with my library card.
All right. So, guys,
This is the spot for new readers, the Easy Reader area.
so we have, one of my favorite books of all time, Elephant and Piggy. I'm a frog. No, I'm not. I'm Mr. Poe. Do we have any graphic novel readers out there?
I love graphic novels.
That's great. I love my graphic novels. One of my favorite books is Dogman. Hey, Minnie Poe, have you read this book before?
No, what do you like about it?
Oh, it's hilarious. It just makes me laugh all the time.
All right.
So guys, let me tell you about a few things that you guys don't know about. For example, the Play Away Launchpad. These launchpads have a specific genre that you can pick from math, reading, science, and even STEM. The next thing we have is read aloud books. These books read to you. You can stick your headphone in or don't stick your headphone in, and the books are being read to you, and you can learn how to read like that. And of course, one of my favorites of all time, American Girl dolls. You ever wanted to play with the American Girl doll and you just want to like comb her hair and create stories and whatnot? No, this is Kristen. But This is the American Girl doll. And of course, you can definitely take out some ukuleles, where you can have fun and learn some music here at the Brentwood Public Library. But we're not done yet. There's one more thing. With your library card, you can now borrow museum passes. For example, the Children's Museum, the Intrepid, and the Cradle of Aviation. We have all these computers only for kids. Hey, Minnie Po, what are you doing in there? Hey, Minnie Po, quick question. What do you need to do for you to use the computers here?
Bring your credit card?
No, Minnie Po, you gotta use your library card. When you use your library card, you input your username, which is all the numbers on the back of the card, and your password, which is your last name. Then you could use our servers for Minecraft, homework, and even Hoopla. This is where the magic happens. Here at the Children's Program Room, we got this big TV where we can play video games, but besides that, look at this ample amount of space. We can have cooking classes, book discussions, and even fitness classes where you can sign up with your library card. Hello, do you have this week's Take and Makes? Wow, we have this week's Take and Makes. Hey, Minnie Po, you know any information about this?
Let me tell you about the Take and Make kits we have just for kids. Here's the deal. Every week we have a new crafting activity you can pick up and do at home. There's something new every week, so when you stop in and get some new reads, stop by at the desk and ask for a Take and Make.
Wow, good job, little dude.
Who are you calling a little dude?
All the info is in the newsletter and on the library's website. Minnie Po out!
Boys and girls, thank you so much for visiting here at the Brentwood Public Library. Please make sure to check out our website. Also, our newsletter, where you can sign up on different programs with your library card. Tell your parents to come visit the Brentwood Public Library. Tell them that Minnie Po sent you. All right.